Hello everyone, welcome to Nifty Bank Nifty. Today we are going to analyze the Nifty 50 5-minute chart for the day December 4, 2025. Today we can see the market gradually moved forward until 11, then afterward it came down till 2. Then it takes kind of a jump from 2 and it closed. So you can see it's a kind of a reverse V pattern that followed today in Nifty 50. So today the market is kind of a went on upwards as well as the downwards. So it moved up until 11, then came down till the market ends. So there is some kind of possibility to take the trade in today's market, as well as some people may have the stop loss triggered. So let's analyze the indicators that market traveled between. So usually I have CPR and pivot points and previous day high and low as my primary indicator. Like the same way, I prefer market travel in between those regions only today. So as you see from the first candle itself, we can say the long bearish candle, and from the next candle itself, market jumped up and broken the CPR range from below to above and broken the CPR. So as per my suggestion, because of this long green candle as well as the third candle's wick is so steep and downwards, I prefer you can take the trade in this fourth candle's mid region, like maybe around like 932. So once it broken this 925th candle's high on this 930th candle, means you can take the trade, because it's a kind of a good thing, because we can expect a good risk reward ratio here. So you can put the stop loss below the CPR range and you can take your profit at previous day high, or you can wait for market to reach this R1. So why I am preferring this trade means because of a lot of reasons. First reason, it broken the CPR, and also it's having a good green color candle. And even though I get the confirmation at 925, I prefer to take trade at 930, because it's a kind of a beginning of the market. I mean the 925 time. So wait for until you feel good to take the trade. So there is a risk here also, but you can take the risk because it satisfies a lot of condition, like it's broken the CPR and also having the long green candle, and also 925th candle having kind of a good wick, the long wick below that. So you can take the trade here and put the stop loss and take the profit. I think some people get into the trade at the time and make some good profit also, because as per our strategy it didn't uh, came down and trigger the stop loss. So most of the people may have some good profit, because market reached as per our prediction only to uh, previous day high, and also it's broken in the good way, like kind of a long green candle at 1025, and breaking the two important levels with the same 5 minutes candle. Some people may have a good trade here also, but that's kind of a not approachable one, because a market went uh, in good moment in upwards for more than an hour. So because of that, you can expect to market to went on sideways, because in stock market there is one rule: if a market give good moments in upwards or downward, means definitely there is possibility to market to move sideways after that trend. So I didn't prefer this trade, because market came a long way up until this 1025, and yeah, even though it's a good signal only, you can take the trade and put the stop loss below that and take the profit at above R1. But my suggestion is not to take the trade, because after the long movement in these green candles, you can see buyers dominated sellers, and make the market to move upwards in good way. So some people may prefer this trade and taken the stop loss, but if you taken this trade means it not affected your profit for the day. So please avoid that kind of thing after a long good moment in upwards or downwards. And again you can see the opportunity to buying the put option here, like market expected to go below this CPI range also. And yeah, this is kind of the good signal, not like this one, because after a good moment and upward, market jumped back again to the downtrend. So I prefer this trade, this kind of a good one, because this red candle itself for 10 minutes we can say sellers dominated. So in this 11:20 candle itself you can see it broken the two important levels from upside to downside. So you can take the trade when it's broke that candle's low, I mean this candle's 11:20 candle's low. So you could take the trade here, put the stop loss above this R1 and take the profit at CPR. So I prefer you can go for the trade at 11:35 and you can take the profit at 135. It's a kind of a good trade. A lot of people may made some good profit also. Okay, so it's a kind of a put option call you can prefer, and basically I prefer at the money option because seems like it will make you more profit. Like so, please prefer in the money and at the money put options or maybe call option also. Okay, so when it reaches this level CPR range at 135, you can close your trade and have some good profit. Okay, then again it tried to broke this CPR and it tried but it didn't happen. It again moved back further. Okay, so it's a kind of a jumping thing only in stock market. So it reaches the main and important level or indicator can say in today's chart. So it reaches the CPR and it's felt hard to go even further, and it's very hard to broke this CPR today. So buyers dominated again and pulled the market up, and from this candle itself you can see buyers dominated. So buyers triggers the market up and move further, but it didn't reach the previous day high like morning. So it again came down. Okay, so it's a kind of a good market to trade on, I mean good day to trade in the Nifty 50. So you can see there is a lot of possibilities, and make sure you take the profit at the next level, because in this time some people may have some fear when it reaches this 130 candle. What if it reaches again back to previous day high? But in market you must sit and please be patient with the market movements. So until or unless it reaches your range, don't exit the trade. So you just take the trade at 11:35 and put the stop loss above and wait for the target to reach to CBR, because this is where we test our emotions also. So yeah, that's the thing guys, today is a very good market to trade. So thanks everyone, have a nice day, we will meet in another video.